Since the Gaza war, the conversion rate of people accepting Islam has increased by 400% in Europe.
After October 7th, a startling transformation began to unfold across Europe. As the Gaza war erupted, a wave of unexpected change swept the continent, leading to a dramatic 400% increase in conversion rates. This astonishing surge has caught the attention of experts and ordinary people alike, sparking debates and raising questions about the underlying causes. Why has this conflict, far from Europe's shores, ignited such a profound shift? What hidden factors are driving this remarkable trend? The intertwining of war and conversion rates seems almost unbelievable, yet the data tells a story of extraordinary change. Dive into this eye-opening phenomena as we explore the intricate connections and uncover the truths behind Europe's remarkable transformation in the shadow of the Gaza war. On October 7th, the Gaza war gained public attention, leading to unexpected changes across Europe. One of the most surprising effects has been a significant 400% increase in conversion rates. The data shows that conversion rates across Europe have surged by 400% since the Gaza war came into public attention. This means that the number of people converting to different religions has quadrupled in a short period. This sharp rise is unusual and demands closer examination. France has seen one of the highest increases in conversion rates. Reports indicate a 500% rise, with many individuals converting to Islam. This trend is surprising, given France's strict secular policies and recent debates over religious symbols in public spaces. Germany has experienced a 450% increase in conversions. A significant number of people have been converting to Christianity, with many seeking solace and community during these turbulent times. The UK has observed a 420% rise in conversions. Similar to France, a large portion of these conversions is to Islam. Community leaders attribute this to a growing sense of solidarity and support for those affected by the conflict. Italy has noted a 390% increase, with a diverse range of religious conversions. The Catholic Church has reported a rise in new members, while other religions like Islam and Buddhism are also seeing growth. Spain's conversion rate has gone up by 370%. The country has seen a balanced increase across various religions, reflecting a broader spiritual awakening among its population. To truly understand the significance of these numbers, it's essential to compare them to previous conversion rates in Europe. Historically, conversion rates in Europe has been relatively stable, with only minor fluctuations over the years. The sudden 400% increase stands in stark contrast to past trends, highlighting the extraordinary nature of the current situation. France has had a low but steady conversion rate, with an annual conversion rate of around 0.5%. The recent 500% increase is unprecedented in the country's modern history. Germany's conversion rate has typically been around 1% annually. The current 450% rise is significantly higher, indicating a major shift in the religious landscape. The UK has had an annual conversion rate of approximately 0.7%. The 420% surge marks a dramatic departure from the norm. Italy's conversion rate has hovered around 0.6% per year. The current 390% increase is a significant anomaly. Spain has had a steady conversion rate of about 0.5%. The recent 370% rise is unusually high and noteworthy. The extraordinary increase in conversion rates can be attributed to several factors. The Gaza war has sparked widespread empathy and solidarity across Europe, leading many to seek spiritual and religious connections. Additionally, the intense media coverage of the conflict has raised awareness about religious and cultural issues, prompting individuals to explore and embrace different faiths. The role of the media cannot be underestimated in this context. Continuous news coverage, social media discussions, and influential public figures have all contributed to shaping public opinion and encouraging religious conversions. Many people have turned to religion as a source of comfort and guidance during these challenging times. Religious institutions and communities have also played a crucial role in supporting conversions. Churches, mosques, and other religious centers have been actively reaching out to those affected by the conflict, offering support, guidance, and a sense of belonging. This outreach has undoubtedly contributed to the surge in conversion rates. The 400% increase in conversion rates since the onset of the Gaza War is a remarkable and unprecedented phenomenon in Europe. The Gaza War, which gained public attention on October 7th, has had a profound impact on global perspectives. The conflict started with a sudden and intense escalation of violence between Israel and Hamas, the militant group controlling Gaza. The war quickly drew international attention due to the severe humanitarian crisis that unfolded. Key events include widespread bombings in Gaza, resulting in significant civilian casualties and extensive damage to infrastructure. In response, Hamas launched numerous rockets into Israeli cities, causing fear and disruptions. The conflict has led to a high number of casualties on both sides, drawing condemnation and calls for ceasefire from various countries and international organizations. The war has not only highlighted the long-standing tensions in the region, but also underscored the urgent need for a sustainable solution to the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Europe's political and social response to the Gaza war has been marked by a mix of solidarity, outrage, and activism. Across the continent, public demonstrations have taken place, with people marching to show support for the Palestinian cause and to call for an end to the violence. These protests have been especially large in cities like London, Paris, Berlin, and Madrid, where thousands have gathered to express their views. Politically, European leaders have issued statements urging both sides to cease hostilities and return to peace talks. The European Union has called for an immediate ceasefire and has offered to mediate discussions aimed at reaching a long-term resolution. Media coverage in Europe has been extensive, with news outlets providing continuous updates on the situation in Gaza and Israel. This coverage has played a significant role in shaping public opinion, highlighting the humanitarian aspects of the conflict and bringing the stories of affected individuals to a global audience. Social media has also been a powerful tool, with widespread sharing of information, images, and personal stories from those on the ground, further fueling public engagement and response. The Gaza war has heightened awareness and interest in religious and spiritual matters across Europe. As the conflict unfolded, many people began to seek deeper understanding and solace in religion. The intense media coverage, showcasing the suffering and resilience of those affected, has led to a growing empathy and curiosity about different faiths. This rise in religious awareness is evident in the increased attendance at religious services, participation in online religious discussions, and a surge in religious literature sales. People are turning to spirituality as a way to cope with the emotional impact of the war, seeking answers and comfort in their faith. Originally from Portugal and now residing in England, Mariana Tavares traveled to Palestine as a missionary to share the Christian faith. She made a lot of kind and caring acquaintances there. Mariana was moved to tears by their commitment and faith. She started learning about Islam during her visit and connected strongly with its teachings. She became more interested in the faith as a result of the warmth and hospitality she encountered. Mariana chose to become a Muslim revert after giving it a lot of thought and prayer. She felt content and at peace with her new faith. Her life was changed by this voyage in ways she never would have imagined. Acts of solidarity with those affected by the war have also contributed to increased conversion rates. Across Europe, community initiatives and interfaith dialogues have flourished. People of different faiths have come together to support the victims of the conflict, organizing fundraisers, prayer meetings, and peaceful protests. These solidarity movements have not only provided tangible aid, but also fostered a sense of unity and shared purpose. Many individuals inspired by these acts of compassion have explored and embraced new religious beliefs. Interfaith dialogues have played a crucial role in this process. The Gaza war has led to an extraordinary 400% increase in conversion rates across Europe, driven by heightened religious awareness and acts of solidarity. This video explored how the conflict has prompted many to seek solace and meaning in religion, leading to a surge in conversions. Real-world examples from countries like France, Germany, and the UK highlight the profound impact of this trend. The interplay of factors, including media coverage, community initiatives, and interfaith dialogues, have created a unique environment where people are more open to exploring and embracing new faiths. This phenomena underscores the importance of continued observation and analysis to fully understand its implications. The surge in conversion rates is not just a statistical anomaly, but a reflection of deeper socio-religious dynamics at play. As Europe navigates this period of heightened religious interest and solidarity, it will be crucial to foster understanding, dialogue, and support across different faith communities. May Allah guide us all.